Fleming Island homeowners know that maintaining a comfortable, efficient, and attractive home requires attention to every detail, and that includes your windows. With Florida's warm weather, high humidity, and occasional coastal storms, your windows play a crucial role in protecting your home, enhancing energy efficiency, and improving curb appeal. If your current windows are fogging, difficult to open, or letting in drafts, it may be time for an upgrade. Choosing window replacement is one of the smartest home improvements you can make, and working with local Fleming Island window experts ensures the job is done right, providing lasting comfort and value. Why window replacement matters in Fleming Island, Florida's climate can be tough on homes. Between humid air, salt exposure, and fluctuating temperatures, older windows often wear down faster than expected. Worn-out seals, cracked frames, or outdated glass can lead to energy loss, condensation, and reduced protection from the elements. Modern replacement windows are designed to withstand these challenges. They feature advanced insulation, impact-resistant glass, and durable materials that hold up against Florida's demanding environment. Whether you want to reduce energy bills, improve comfort, or modernize your home's look, replacing your windows provides immediate benefits that you'll feel every day. The benefits of working with local Fleming Island experts. Choosing a local window company for your replacement project offers advantages that go far beyond convenience. Local experts understand Fleming Island's specific needs, from weather conditions to building codes and community aesthetics, ensuring that your windows are not only beautiful but built to perform. Here's why partnering with local professionals makes sense. Climate-specific recommendations. Local window installers know what works best for Florida homes. They can guide you toward materials and glass types that resist humidity, block UV rays, and stand up to heavy rain or storms. Knowledge of local codes. Florida has strict regulations for hurricane and wind resistance. A local installer is familiar with these standards, ensuring your windows meet or exceed safety requirements. Personalized service. Local companies prioritize relationships. You'll receive personalized recommendations, transparent pricing, and attentive customer care from start to finish. Quick response and support. If you ever need maintenance, adjustments, or warranty service, a nearby professional can respond faster than out-of-town or national chains. When you choose a Fleming Island-based expert, you're not just buying windows, you're investing in local craftsmanship and long-term trust. Choosing the right windows for your home. Working with local professionals means having access to expert guidance on selecting windows that fit your home's design and performance needs. Popular options for Fleming Island include vinyl windows, affordable, energy efficient, and resistant to moisture, perfect for humid climates. Fiberglass windows, durable and low maintenance, with excellent thermal insulation. Impact-resistant windows, provide extra protection during storm season while reducing outside noise. You can also choose from styles like casement, picture, sliding, or double-hung windows, each offering unique benefits in terms of ventilation, aesthetics, and functionality. Local installers can help you balance style and performance, ensuring your new windows enhance both your home's look and its long-term resilience. Professional installation. The key to lasting results. No matter how high quality your new windows are, installation quality determines performance. Poorly installed windows can lead to air leaks, condensation, and even structural damage. Local professionals bring the expertise and precision required for a perfect fit. They'll measure accurately, ensure proper sealing, and install each window to manufacturer specifications, protecting both your investment and your warranty. In Fleming Island's climate, where moisture and heat can test any home's durability, this level of detail makes a lasting difference. Long-term value and peace of mind. Replacing your windows isn't just about immediate comfort, it's a long-term investment in your property. Energy-efficient windows can lower cooling costs, while durable materials reduce the need for repairs and maintenance. Plus, with professional installation from a trusted local company, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is protected against Florida's elements. Final thoughts for homeowners in Fleming Island. Window replacement is an opportunity to improve comfort, efficiency, and beauty, but achieving lasting results starts with choosing the right partner. By working with local window experts, you'll get products tailored to Florida's climate, precise installation, and personalized service from professionals who care about your community as much as you do. Whether you're updating for style, energy savings, or storm protection, partnering with trusted local professionals ensures your window replacement delivers enduring value and a home that feels better, looks better, and performs beautifully year after year.